Good morning to all of you. I am Pratima Dale. I will teach you your 5th semester theory paper 3, which is Railway and Bridge Engineering, and I will teach you the today class your first chapter, Introduction. So dear students, I welcome you to all for the lecture series on Railway Engineering. Railway engineering consists of two parts. The first part is your railway engineering and the second part is your bridge engineering. So we will be taking off different aspects related to railway engineering and bridge engineering during this lecture series. Today we will be starting with the introduction of railway engineering. And in this introduction, we will be taking off different aspects as mentioned here. These are the outlines. Okay. So we will be looking at the importance of the transportation. Okay. And we will go through the railway introduction, then railway definition, look at the history of Indian Railway, then go through railway terminology, then advantages of railway, and the last one is classification of railway. So now we start with this one. First one is railway engineering. Okay. So before we are going to the subject, we should know the railway engineering is the part of transportation. Okay. So the transportation subject already you have faced in the previous semester in your 4th semester, that is transportation engineering highway. So first I want to explain you what is transportation. Okay. So as we have seen, we have different system for working by which we can transport not only for the passenger but also the goods. Okay. So now I am telling you what is the definition of transportation. Okay. The peoples and the goods moving from one place to another in a convenient manner is known as your transportation. Okay. So already you have know that basically we know in our transportation engineering there have three modes of transportation. Okay. Already you have studied about this. First one is your land transportation. Second one is your water transportation. Third one is your air transportation. Okay. So first one is your land transportation. What is land transportation? So again land transportation is divided into two parts. One is your highway transportation and second one is your railway transportation. So in your 4th semester you have already know about highway transportation, which is your transportation 1. Now we will study about the second part, railway engineering. Okay. So first of all, I want to give a little bit knowledge about highway. Okay. So highway means it is the roadway. So the transportation by which we using the road for traveling is known as your highway transportation. Okay. Then railway transportation or railway engineering. So railway engineering in a simple way, you can say that when the steel tracks laid on the ground and the train move over it is known as your railway. Okay. So next one is your, I am telling you that water transportation. So whatever the transportation is done by the waterway, like ocean water or inland water transportation, that one is known as your water transportation. Okay. For example, your ships are using for export and imports. Okay. Next one is your air transportation. Air transportation, you already have know about this very well. Aeroplane, helicopters, these are used for air transportation. It is the cheapest and fastest way of transportation. Okay. So due to the cheapest, So here the peoples are prefer land transportation very much, okay, and air transportation is the very fast transportation, and the rich peoples are use this transportation. So next we will discuss about railway transportation, okay. So railway transportation, first we know about the introduction, okay. So among the different modes of transport, railway have their greatest utilization in the transport of large volume of heavy and bulk commodities and passengers over long distances with safety, comfort and convenience, okay. So I am already telling that there are three modes of transportation. One is your land transportation, water transportation and air transportation, okay. So between these three transportation, your railway transportation mode is greatest utilization. Why? Because in railway transportation, large volume or heavy bulk commodity, passengers or goods can transport at a time, okay, and it is also used for long distances with safety, comfort and convenience, okay. So first one is your what is railway transportation. So railway engineering is the multi-phased engineering which deals with the design, construction and operation of all type of rail transportation system, okay. So the simplest introduction to railway may be defined as the way which is made up of rails, okay, and it is the permanent way, and railway is the speed mode of transportation, okay. So next one is your what is railway engineering. So in a simple way, you can see here in this picture, this is the train and this is the track, okay. These are the steel tracks which are laid over the ground, and over that the train will be moved. So this way is called as your railway or permanent way over which the train can be moved, okay, and it is the longest route, and a bulk community, heavy commodity passengers or goods can at a time move for a long distance by the train only, okay. So now we going for the railway engineering, okay. So first we know about what is railway engineering. So in a simple way, you can remember the branch of civil engineering which deals with the design, construction and maintenance of the railway tracks for safe and efficient movement of train is called railway engineering, okay. So you can know that. So railway engineering is our branch of civil engineering. It is the part, okay, and the railway engineering is deals with what? Your design, construction and maintenance for what? For railway track. This is the in the picture you clearly visible here that it is the railway track, okay. So for design this or for construction and maintenance of this railway track for a safe and efficient movement of the train is called your railway engineering, okay. So in another way you can also say that railway engineering is a multi-phased engineering which deals with the design, construction and operation of all type of railway transportation system, okay. So basically all of you see the railway line or railway track here in this picture. This is the track which is made up of steel or iron track, okay, and over that the train will be moved, and by the help of there are over it there are the wire by electric line, the train will be moved. Okay, so this is about what is railway engineering and what is the introduction. The next things we will discuss in next video class. Thank you.